Ever wondered how those giant, metal contraptions at the Olympics managed to pass a baton from one screaming athlete to another with such precision? It's like magic, right? Wrong. It's science, engineering, and a whole lot of practice. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of this athletic spectacle, the relay. Let's uncover the secret to its activation. Imagine this: you're standing at the starting line, heart pounding, adrenaline surging. The gun blasts, and you're off. But what happens behind the scenes to ensure that the baton is passed seamlessly? It all hinges on a complex interplay of human skill and technological wizardry. First, let's talk about the baton itself. It's not just a fancy stick. It's engineered to be lightweight, aerodynamic, and with a grip that's as comfortable as a well-worn glove. But the real magic lies in its construction. Inside that sleek exterior is a sophisticated system of sensors and electronics. These tiny components are the unsung heroes of the relay. When a runner grips the baton, a series of sensors detect the pressure. This information is instantly transmitted to a central control system. This system, often located at the trackside, is like the brain of the operation. It processes the data, calculates the runner's speed, and predicts the optimal exchange zone. But how does the system know when to signal the next runner? Enter the exchange zone. This is a designated area where the baton is passed. As the lead runner approaches this zone, the system goes into overdrive. Using advanced algorithms, it determines the exact moment when the baton should be released. This is where things get really interesting. The system doesn't just rely on calculations, it also uses visual cues. High-speed cameras track the runner's movements, providing real-time data to the control system. This ensures that the exchange happens at the perfect moment, maximizing speed and minimizing the risk of a dropped baton. Once the system calculates the optimal exchange point, it sends a signal to a device worn by the incoming runner. This device, often a small wristband or glove, vibrates or emits a light signal, alerting the runner to get ready. The timing is critical. Too early, and the runner might start too soon, risking a false start. Too late, and the baton could be dropped. Of course, technology is only as good as the humans using it. The runners must practice tirelessly to perfect the exchange. It's a ballet of movement, trust, and split-second timing. And while technology has undoubtedly improved the precision of relays, it's the human element that truly makes it a spectacle. So, the next time you watch a relay race, remember the intricate dance between human skill and technological brilliance. It's more than just a race, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of speed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.